Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I decided to create new course about React.js, React hooks. This course will be useful for beginner and people who wants to improve knowledge about React hooks. First, we'll learning basic React hooks like useState, useMemo, useEffect and other popular hooks. And next we started to create our custom hooks. You will be able to use these custom hooks in your own project. I hope you liked this course and you won't forget to subscribe on this channel. Okay, let's start it. I create new project using Vue CLI. And first we need to clear this project. Now we have only empty component. Also we can remove all these files. And also we need to remove import. Okay, let's check. Everything work and we can continue. Okay, now we can to import our hooks. We have two ways. First we can using import React and using these hooks using React. But also we can using destructurization. It work alike and you can use method what you'd like more. And now we can create markup. We can create a simple counter. And now we can create our counter. If I open the window, everything will work. But when we click on the button, nothing changed. Because we also need to create function. When we using useState, we get array with 2 elements. We can using destructurization and first element, this is our counter. In the second element, this is function. Thanks to this function, we can change our counter. Now we can connect this function with our button. And also we need to add arrow function this function will be called our set count, and also we need to add argument. And now when I click on the button, counter is changed. And when I click again, nothing changed. Because our argument doesn't change. We can use first argument and add to 1. Like you see, it's work. But why does it work? It works because when I click the button, our component is re-render, and thanks to this function our component is re-render, and we get new value and new argument in our function. We also can add function here and it'll also work. Thanks to this hook, we don't need to using document query selector and other methods. We can using only markup, and this approach more simplicity and more optimization, because we don't work with DOM tree directly. Everything works using virtual DOM, and this is more optimization and simple approach. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. in the next video I'll explain how work use effect